If you want to add a before after slider or image comparison like this one in your Divi website, you can integrate this in your Divi website using the Divi Doc Pros Divi Compare Image module. Let's see how we can integrate this one. At first, we are adding the Compare Image module in our page. And as you can see here, as a placeholder, a before after slider has already appeared. But we don't want to keep these images. So start with before. First hitting the save button and start with before. Delete the image, this one, and also this one. And we are selecting the image for the before. And we selected the black and white car. For the after, we are selecting the color one and hit the save button. As we can see here, we are successfully added image to our before after image slider. Now it is time to discover this model settings and options and also the features. Let's start with before. As you can see here, dedicate for the before label, and you can change this text to before to anything else. And also you can change the background color for this label. And same goes to after label. You can customize both of this. Now let's jump into the settings. You can orientate this image slider to vertical or horizontal. And this one is handle initial offset. Initially, the before one, how much space will occupy. If I increase the value, that's mean before covering way too much. If I decrease the label to 1, then the after covering way too much. I would like to select a middle value, therefore I am selecting the 0.5, the default value. And move on hover feature refers to when you hovering the mouse over the before after slider, your slider will move. And overlay, all we know what does this overlay do. And show before after label, always or on hover. We are selecting the always here. If you want to increase or decrease the size of your before after slider, you can go to design and go to sizing and set the value for the weight. I'm selecting here 90%. And you also set value for the desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. That's how and simply you can integrate before after slider in your Divi website using the Divi Doc Compare Image module. To get our plugin insights and also the tips and tricks and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe PlugPress.